Hello there and welcome back. In this video, I would like to kick off a new series which is going to be about Rust. So let's get rusty. And what I want to show you is how you can define a complex type and implement the plus operator. And we can do this by implementing or using the add trait. So how do we do it? We will call this how should we call it? Cargo new OP overload. And then we are going to be able to use NVim. And in NeoVim, we are going to define our source. So we need to use the std crate, and we will need the add trait. So this add trait is going to where is it? This is it. This is going to allow us to implement the plus operator, and we will need a struct which is going to be called complex, and what we want to do, what is it, is to create a real F64 and imaginary F64 type. So these are going to be floating point parameters. Come on. Okay. And real. Good. The next thing that we will have to do is to implement the trait. So in order to implement the trait, we can use the imp add for complex. And basically what we will have to do is to say that the type output is going to be complex, and we will have the add function which will take self and the other, which is going to be a complex, and this is going to return complex. Now we can create our, let's say, instance of complex, and basically, where is it? Here is it. We will need the real parameter, which is self plus self.real plus other.real, and the imaginary, which is self.imaginary plus other.imaginary. Don't forget the comma here and here. And in the function main, we will have to, or we can, define our examples. So the first complex number is going to be of real 1.0 and O, and the imaginary is going to be 2.0, and the C2 is going to be a complex real 5.0 and imaginary 8.0. Don't forget the comma and the curly braces from the end. And the result is going to be C1 plus C2, and we will use the print macro, and the result is going to be printed out result.real and result.imaginary. Okay, let's format it a bit. Plus I, and that's gonna be it. So in a new window, I am going to navigate to the folder and use cargo RAM. So, it has to be replaced with comma. Okay. Let's go back. And it works. So basically, this is how we can implement our own operator overload, use the add trait to define the plus operator or make it work with the complex type that I have created. And that was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.